Let's get started. Step 1. Let's prepare the chicken gravy. For this, I have taken a quarter cup of oil. You can use less if you prefer. Add 1 large chopped onion and saute until translucent. We want it soft, not browned, so it melts into the sauce instead of leaving crunchy bits. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and fry for about a minute just until it smells amazing. Next, add 1 cup of chopped carrots, followed by 800 grams of chicken mince. Fry the mince until it starts to change color completely. No pink left. This is what keeps the texture right. Then season with salt to taste, 1 teaspoon or less of crushed red chilies, depending on how spicy you like it, and a dash of oregano. Now add 1 cup of fresh tomato puree and 1 cup of store-bought marinara sauce. And if you don't have marinara sauce on hand, no worries, just add more tomato puree instead. Add half a cup of water, mix everything really well, and let the gravy cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. This simmering step matters a lot. It's what lets all those flavors actually blend together instead of just sitting next to each other. Step 2. Let's prepare the creamy white sauce. For this, I have taken 5 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Add half a cup of all-purpose flour and mix everything together. Cook it on low heat until the flour becomes fragrant. This cooks out that raw flour taste we don't want. Now gradually add 500 ml or half a liter of milk while stirring continuously. Keep mixing, don't stop until the sauce starts to thicken slightly. Season with salt to taste. Then add a quarter cup of cooking cream. And mix everything really well. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper or adjust it to your taste. This is what takes the sauce from just creamy to actually luxurious. You want the sauce to have this smooth, pourable consistency. So if your sauce becomes too thick, just add a little hot water and mix until you get there. And if it's too thin, cook it few more seconds until it thickens up. Let's check on the chicken gravy too. And yep, it looks perfectly cooked. So I'm turning off the heat and now we can start assembling our lasagna. For the bottom layer, spread a little of white sauce in your baking dish first. This isn't just for looks, it stops the pasta from sticking. Then place your lasagna sheets on top. Now here's the secret. I'm using lasagna sheets that don't need any pre-boiling. They cook beautifully right in all those delicious sauces while the lasagna bakes. They absorb all that goodness as they cook, which helps keep the lasagna beautifully moist and saucy instead of dry. Now spread a generous layer of the chicken gravy over the pasta sheets. Add another layer of the white sauce, followed by a generous amount of grated mozzarella. Then repeat lasagna sheets, chicken gravy, white sauce, mozzarella, and keep layering until everything's used up. For the final layer, finish with plenty of white sauce and a generous amount of mozzarella. Don't hold back here. Cover the dish tightly with aluminum foil, and this step is non-negotiable. It traps the steam that actually cooks the pasta sheets. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. After about 40 minutes, the sheets should be perfectly cooked. Now remove the foil and sprinkle some crushed red chilies on top if you like. This part's totally optional. Return it to the oven uncovered for another 10 minutes, just to give the top a beautiful golden brown color. Just look at that gorgeous golden top. those bubbling layers of cheese, all that creamy goodness underneath. It looks absolutely irresistible. Alright, I'm going to let it rest for about 10 minutes before serving, and now it's finally time to taste it. Let's cut into it and see those beautiful layers. Look how perfectly cooked the pasta is. And look at all that creamy, cheesy, juicy chicken filling. This is seriously so delicious. Please try this recipe on my recommendation and let me know in the comments how you liked it. And if you enjoyed this one, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. I'll see you in another one. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.